Today, we will learn how to create a sketch from an image in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the image layer. We need 2 layers of the same image. Now go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Invert. To make the image black and white, go to Adjustment Layer, choose Hue Saturation, and set the saturation to 0. Now select the inverted image layer and change its blending mode to Color Dodge. Next, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius as needed. Now, select all 3 layers and merge them together. Go to Filter, then Filter Gallery. From the options, select Photocopy, and adjust the settings as per your style. To make the image clearer, go to Image and click on Auto Tone. Your beautiful sketch is ready. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.